how's it going? My name is Auntie TT. For those of you that don't mean, for those of you who do, thank you for joining another wig review. Today's wig I'll be reviewing today is by Sensationnel in the style 13x6 Unit 3. So go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I'll give you my 50% over the issue. Picking this together. Let's go. So now watch me install the wig. Let's go ahead and talk about the wig. So again, the unit that I'll be reviewing is by Sensationnel in the style 13x6 Unit 3. On the stock card it says it has a 13x6 hairline with natural density. The lace is a bare lace hairline. It says the lace is so thin it looks like skin. Okay. Some more about the unit. The unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It is 100% premium fiber. It does go to say the unit has 20% larger grid pattern, 40% thinner lace design, shows more skin compared to generic lace, dissipates light for a non-reflective matte finish, stronger reinforced tear resistant lace fiber. Okay, so here's the unit on. Again, I don't know if I said the color that I have. The color I have is Secret Highlight Berry. And if you part in the middle, you cannot see the color. So I guess that's where the secret highlight comes in. You only see the color if you flip it left, right. The unit does come with 3 combs and an adjustable straps. In addition, it has a wide adjustable elastic band. The unit is beginner friendly. The texture of the unit is yucky. But if you put your hot comb on there or your flat iron, I think it's gonna change it to silky. So just be mindful of that. The unit is about maybe 10 to 12 inches. About. It is an angle bob, not a natural bob. Angle bob. So this is what the unit looks like. I love the unit. I just don't like the color placement, but I knew what I was getting into when I got the wig. I knew I wasn't going to see it if I parted in the middle. I had to part one of these either left or right in order to see the color. So I already knew that beforehand. So I can't complain knowing that, and I still got it. It appears to be big and friendly because there's a lot of space under this unit. It doesn't fit my head all the way right. And right here, you can see the hump. That's the lace. Yeah. Yep, so that is the cap of the unit. That is humpy right there because I think it's made for a bigger cap size, not for one my size. So yeah, if you lay the unit down just as it came without any tint, I think you could still see it. I'm pretty sure I could still see mine. So I went in with the even tint and I did the Ruby Kiss just to give it some more camouflage a bit more. So that's what I did. But overall, the unit is a great beginner friendly unit if you know how to cut lace. If you don't, then don't get this unit because there's a lot of lace to cut. Whatever the unit on a scale of 1 to 10, an 8. It doesn't tangle, it doesn't shed. I don't have that much flyaways. I think the only thing that's flying away is when I cut the lace, the little hairs attached to the lace because I think I cut too far back. That's I think the only flyaways I am getting. So yeah, so this is the unit. What do y'all think? Also for your convenience, I will leave a link down in the description so you can go ahead and purchase the unit. What do you think? Let me know. So if you got to the end of the video, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and I'll see you in the next week. Bye guys.